When people think about eating plant-based, they often focus on all the foods that you can eat. But this series is going to focus on the delicious variety of foods that you can eat. So I'm going to show you how to make a chickpea salad sandwich. We're going to make loaded nachos, fluffy pancakes, crispy falafels, shockingly healthy cookies. Look at the way that cheese is just oozing over the side. To a shepherd's pie that you'll swear it came out of your parents' kitchen. This reminds me so much of childhood. Oh, the smell. I'll show you how to make some of my favorite plant-based desserts. Oh, I'm so excited, I don't even have words. And we're gonna visit some amazing places doing plant-based properly.
I wanted to bring back a type of manufacturing that I could be really proud of. It's more fun when you eat colorful food.
So you have to join with everybody.
Is there a technique?
Not you either.
So it's really just to make sure that there's always an amazing choice for everyone.
And I'm gonna show you how to process the jackfruit here. It's looking pretty porky.
I like it. Is there a right way to eat this thing?
Whatever way's messiest.
This season, we'll show you how, with some simple tweaks, you'll make the kind of food that you'll want to eat that just happens to be good for your body.
This is the best part about plant-based food. The ingredients, they're so good for you, and then you get to make treats out of them.
I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. You guys have anything else to do?